Michael Baker's legacy of completing complex projects throughout the years really can be attributed to one word, and that's credibility. Michael Baker has the credibility of designing quality, complex solutions for our clients over the years. What that allows me to do is to be more creative in what I propose to the clients. The creative solutions that we get, that we identify are really embraced by our clients, and they hire us for the more complex projects. Our clients don't hire Michael Baker for the simple projects. Having the right people, the dedicated people that can deliver those projects, it's unquestionably the most important aspect of what we do. The 80th anniversary of Michael Baker is perhaps for me less looking backwards and more looking forward. I enjoy the challenge of being held responsible for winning work for the engineers within the Northeast region. It's not just me, there's a whole group of people that are part of that solution. The key is to keep winning those projects that keep the engineers excited about working at Michael Baker, and to keep attracting new talent to Michael Baker that helps us grow into the future.